Have you ever considered how drones are altering the landscape of modern warfare? Over the years, the advent of drone technology has revolutionized military operations. These unmanned aerial vehicles, once mere novelties, have evolved into critical tools in the arsenal of modern armies. They've shifted the paradigm from conventional boots-on-the-ground warfare to a more technology-centric approach. From their early days as simple surveillance tools, drones have blossomed into multifaceted assets, capable of real-time intelligence gathering, precision strikes, and even logistical support. This shift hasn't been overnight, but a gradual progression, mirroring the rapid advancements in technology and artificial intelligence. But this evolution hasn't been without controversy. As the role of drones expands, so do the ethical and legal debates surrounding their use. Yet there's no denying the transformative impact drones have had and continue to have on the conduct of military operations. Join us as we delve into the world of drones and their transformative impact on military operations. To understand the significance of drones in today's military strategies, we need to look back at their origins. The inception of drone technology in the military can be traced back to the early 20th century, when unmanned aircraft were used for target practice. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that drones started gaining prominence in surveillance and reconnaissance roles. Over the years, advancements in technology have led to drones becoming smaller, stealthier, and more sophisticated. The turn of the 21st century saw a significant expansion in the roles of drones, with these unmanned aerial vehicles being used not only for surveillance but also for precision strikes, reducing the risk to military personnel. From their humble beginnings, drones have come a long way in revolutionizing military operations. They've transformed from simple remote-controlled aircraft into complex systems integrated with advanced AI and communication systems. But this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, so will the capabilities and roles of drones in the military. Drones are not just flying cameras. They play diverse and vital roles in modern warfare. Their applications extend far beyond what meets the eye, making them a revolutionary force in military operations around the globe. First, let's talk about surveillance and reconnaissance. Drones, equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, provide real-time intelligence and situational awareness. They can fly over hostile territories, providing a bird's-eye view of the battlefield, and relay back critical information, all without risking human lives. Imagine the advantage of knowing your enemy's exact location, strength, and movements. That's the advantage drones provide. But it doesn't stop there. Drones are also used for target acquisition and strikes. Precision is key in modern warfare, and drones excel at it. Equipped with advanced targeting systems, they can identify and engage targets with pinpoint accuracy. This not only minimizes collateral damage but also reduces the risk to military personnel. Essentially, drones can take the fight to the enemy while keeping our soldiers out of harm's way. And then there's logistic support. Drones can carry supplies to frontline units, deliver medical aid, and even evacuate wounded soldiers. In the high-stakes game of war where every second counts, drones can make the difference between life and death. Drones are not just the eyes in the sky, they are also the lifeline for soldiers on the ground. They can be the scout, the sniper, and the medic. They can be wherever they are needed, whenever they are needed, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. As drone technology continues to evolve, so will their roles in warfare. From underwater drones that can detect submarines to swarm drones that can overwhelm enemy defenses, the possibilities are limitless. In conclusion, the versatility of drones has made them an indispensable tool in the arsenal of modern militaries. They have transformed the way wars are fought and have redefined the meaning of boots on the ground. Indeed, drones are not just changing the game, they are rewriting the rules. The rise of drones in military operations is closely tied to technological advancements. The integration of advanced artificial intelligence and autonomy has significantly elevated the capabilities of drones. These technologies enable drones to execute complex missions, make split-second decisions, and adapt to rapidly changing battlefield conditions, all without direct human intervention. Simultaneously, the enhancement of communication systems has been a game-changer. These advancements allow for seamless real-time transmission of high-quality data from drones to command centers, improving the precision and speed of military operations. Moreover, the incorporation of sophisticated data analytics has taken drone operations to new heights. By processing and analyzing the vast amounts of data collected by drones, military strategists can gain deeper insights into enemy activities, fortify defenses, and plan more effective offensive strategies. These technological advancements have transformed drones from mere eyes in the sky to powerful tools of warfare. They have expanded the strategic role of drones beyond surveillance and reconnaissance to include precision strikes, logistical support, and even electronic warfare. As technology advances, so does the strategic impact of drones on the battlefield. The revolution in drone technology is not only enhancing military strategy today but is also shaping the future of warfare. Let's take a look at how drones have played pivotal roles in recent conflicts. Unmanned aerial vehicles, more commonly known as drones, have been carving out their place in the theater of modern warfare. Their influence is evident in a variety of global conflicts, each with their unique tactical advantages and challenges. One such instance is the conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Ukrainian soldiers have utilized homemade drones to gather real-time intelligence on Russian positions, turning the tide of the battlefield in their favor. However, these drones often find themselves in the crosshairs of Russian electronic warfare, resulting in the loss of thousands of drones each month. Despite this, the Ukrainian government is doubling down on its drone industry, aiming to gain a strategic advantage. But it's not just about surveillance and reconnaissance. Drones also offer a new level of precision in targeted strikes, reducing the risk to military personnel and minimizing collateral damage. On the flip side, this has led to a new form of warfare, where cheap drones can take out expensive equipment, leveling the playing field in a way that was unthinkable just a few years ago. However, these advantages come with their own set of challenges. For one, the rapid development and proliferation of drone technology have made it increasingly difficult to regulate their use. There's also the question of accountability in the event of civilian casualties, which remains a hotly contested issue in the international community. These case studies demonstrate the game-changing role drones play in modern warfare. As we continue to navigate the complexities of this new battlefield, one thing is clear: drones are here to stay, and their influence will only grow in the years to come. While drones bring tactical advantages, they also raise ethical and legal concerns. A key issue is civilian casualties. Despite their precision, drones can sometimes hit unintended targets, leading to innocent lives lost. This raises questions about accountability. Who takes responsibility when a drone strike goes wrong? Is it the operator thousands of miles away, the military commander, or the policymakers who sanctioned the strike? Furthermore, the use of drones for targeted killings has sparked debates about its legality under international law. Some argue that such strikes outside of active war zones may constitute extrajudicial killings. There's also the question of sovereignty. Can a nation use drones to carry out strikes in another country without declaring war, or without that country's permission? Moreover, there's a lack of global consensus on regulations governing the use of military drones. While some countries have stringent rules, others have a more lax approach. This inconsistency can lead to misuse of the technology and escalation of conflicts. The debate on the ethical and legal aspects of drone warfare is as complex as the technology itself. As we look to the future, drones are set to play an even larger role in military operations. The rapid pace of technological advancements is fueling the evolution of drone warfare, ushering in a new era of combat strategies. The integration of artificial intelligence, for instance, is poised to drastically elevate drone capabilities, enabling them to execute more complex operations autonomously. Moreover, as cyber warfare becomes increasingly prevalent, drones could become vital tools in both defense and attack strategies. The potential to remotely disable enemy infrastructure or intercept communications is a game-changer, adding a new dimension to warfare. However, as drone technology advances, so do the countermeasures. The development of anti-drone systems is well underway, aimed at detecting, tracking, and neutralizing rogue drones. This escalating arms race between drone technology and anti-drone systems is a stark reminder of the continually shifting landscape of modern warfare. In addition, the emergence of swarm technology, where scores of drones operate in coordinated groups, is expected to have a profound impact on military strategies. Such swarms could overwhelm enemy defenses, conduct mass surveillance, or carry out coordinated strikes, further revolutionizing warfare. The future of warfare is intrinsically linked to the future of drone technology. Drones have undeniably transformed modern military operations. They have revolutionized warfare, shifting it from traditional on-the-ground battles to high-tech, remote operations. These unmanned aerial vehicles, acting as the eyes in the sky, provide real-time intelligence, carry out precision strikes, and even offer logistical support, all while reducing the risk to military personnel. Incorporating advanced artificial intelligence and autonomous operations, drones are not just tools but strategic game changers. They're enhancing military strategies worldwide, providing tactical advantages in conflicts, as we've seen in the recent Ukraine-Russia conflict. However, like any powerful tool, drones come with ethical and legal considerations. Their use raises questions about civilian casualties, accountability, and the need for international regulations. As we move forward, it's crucial that these challenges are addressed to ensure responsible usage. Looking ahead, the future of drone warfare is bound to see further technological advancements. The potential impact on global military strategies is enormous. From emerging threats to new countermeasures, drones will continue to shape the landscape of conflict and defense. As the eyes in the sky, drones continue to redefine the face of modern warfare. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos.